For many families, the holiday season is a time to travel. This holiday, we're not traveling, but we decided to share with you our last family trip to Dubai. So we're in Dubai. This was my first time actually staying in the country. I'd passed through the country on connections before, but I'd never stayed. So this was a first for me, and of course a first for me with the baby. Tiago was so young here. We decided to stay at Days Hotel by Wyndham. It was very affordable and centrally located, which is what we were looking for, and it was very cozy. I liked it. By the way, keep watching this video for tips on activities that you can do when you travel to Dubai. Let's get straight into it. So the first place we recommend is Sky Views. Sky View, like the name suggests, is a view from the sky. It's one of Dubai's most popular attractions and gives you an experience of the city from high up. It's a 360 view of the entire city landscape. It's beautiful, and you get to do it while standing on glass. So looking down, you'll be seeing the city, you're seeing all the traffic. It's like walking in the sky. Let's check it out. To be completely honest, guys, this video does not do this view justice. You need to experience it for yourself. Standing on the glass is borderline scary, but exciting, such adrenaline rush. I mean, you have to experience it for yourself. So this is the glass slide. It's an activity offered at Sky Views. You get to slide over the city looking down through transparent glass. It's not as scary as it looks. So you guys might have figured by now, in order to have fun on this trip, we had to take turns holding the baby. So I'd keep the baby, then Tony does his activity, and vice versa. We have lots to do, guys, so let's move on to the next stop. Dubai Mall is home to the Dubai Mall Aquarium, which is one of the world's largest indoor aquariums. It's perfect for your kids. Tiggs was a baby, and we didn't think he would, really get the concept too much, so we didn't buy tickets to get inside. We just stood outside and kind of cheated and had a look from the outside. But if you visit, feel free to purchase the tickets and go on in. Look at the shark. Today we're on a roll trying to get in as many activities as we can with the baby. So next stop is the Dow Cruise. Dhow cruises are another popular attraction in Dubai. It's basically a dinner on a boat over the Dubai Creek. It's beautiful, usually lasts about 2 hours, and you get to experience the culture, the music, the food, and their sunset. So that's all we managed to do for day one. We're gonna head back to the hotel after this and get ready for the next day. Hey, Tix. Hey, baby.
It's poaching. You're poaching.
So on day number 2 of our activities, we decided to head out to Expo 2020, though it was 2022, and we had to experience our own pavilions, the pavilion for Zimbabwe and the pavilion for Jamaica. Let's have a look.
Getting around the Expo site, hop aboard the People Mover, Expo 2020's free internal shuttle. There are stops at every entrance gate and park, and buses run frequently.
Zimbabwe! Come, take it here. You left the baby, take the baby with you. Come here so that it shows, babe, the name. Oh, yeah.
How are you?
So each country's pavilion was basically an exhibit of their culture, their heritage, and their achievements. Almost. Yeah. So Tony and I had a bet on whose pavilion would be better. Let's head on over to Jamaica's pavilion.
See you live.
Excuse me, I'm in charge of the security here.
Okay.
Please let me through.
You're crazy. Look at where we're going.
Way up.
Jamaica.
The destination is on your right. Jamaica Pavilion.
Those of you who travel know that it's such an amazing feeling to see a country represented in a foreign country. I mean, guys, when I walked up to the Jamaica Pavilion, I felt so proud. Anyway, let's get inside. But our pavilion is looking nice. All day jerk. But there's no jerk here. It's just...
Welcome.
Hello, thank you. So Mega Nation, do Tony and I a favor and comment in the comment section below to let us know which pavilion was your favorite. Was it Zimbabwe or was it Jamaica?
Yeah, feel good.
Do y'all feel good? I want to see everybody in this place dancing.
Man,
Can we
man.
do it? Give it! Come on!
too many times before. This love has taken its toll. Happy holidays to you guys. We hope you enjoyed our throwback to our trip to Dubai. Whether you're traveling with the family or you're just staying home and relaxing this holiday, do remember 'tis the season to be jolly.